Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am showing you how to make an apple smoothie. This is the very first time I've made it and it's absolutely delicious. This is what it looks like. Oh my god. Okay, if you don't know who I am, I'm Regina Paul. I'm a mindset and business coach, and this channel is created to just show you a little bit more about me and for me to share my creativity, such as leading a plant-based lifestyle, beauty, health, your mind, and your body. Let's get started. You will need 1 cup of frozen diced apples, 1 frozen banana, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Then you will put it all in a blender and add 1/2 cup of water first. This is what it will look like. Then add the remaining water and blend it until completely blended. Pour it into a cup. This is the end result, and it is absolutely delicious. Wow, that's good. That's really good. I am totally blown away by what it tastes like. So if you've liked what you've seen here today, please subscribe below and share this video with others so they can enjoy a delicious apple smoothie. Ciao.